Welcome to SharePoint 5, Common Apps or Applications. I'm Trainer Lori. Announcements is popular because it allows you to post news, status, and other short bits of information. It's a one-way format, something like a news article. And if you click New Announcement, you can see that there's not only room for a title and a body, but also an expiration date. So if the event happens on Monday, then it will expire on Monday, and you don't have to worry about it going back and trying to delete it. Calendar is very easy to use. You simply click Add and type in a title, location, just like in Outlook. And it is also synced to Outlook. For example, I copied some information from Outlook and it automatically synced all this description and everything else. There's some other great things that you can do with Calendar as well, in case you have, for example, a team calendar and you want to overlay calendars. Discussion is like announcement, only it's two-way. For example, I can start a discussion and somebody else can add to it. They can either reply or ask another question. The Documents is a library, and that library is a place where you can create, collect, and update files like Excel, PowerPoint, PDFs, Word documents, like that. It's the only place that you can put files is in a library. Because there are no documents, this is a list. It's like having an Excel file open all the time, and you simply click New Item to add a new item to it. This is a URL list, which is a little bit different, but the nice thing about lists is if you click in the field name, then you'll have an option for sorting. Notebook allows you to create a OneNote web app notebook to share documents, websites, images, and more. And it's great because if you're using OneNote now, you know that probably the hardest thing to do in OneNote is to create all the links to all the right people. But if you do it in SharePoint, it'll automatically create the links and permissions to the right people as soon as you make it. And Tasks is a way to create a list in SharePoint but have it updated in Outlook. So if you have a team to-do list, for example, and your specific tasks will show up in your Outlook, and then you can check them off or show the status of them, and it will automatically link to SharePoint. A wiki is a place where you can gather and share ideas on a site quickly. Now, when you create a wiki, keep in mind that this is the only kind of app that comes with a how-to page, because it can be quite confusing because there's so many people that can add information to it. That's all for this time. Thank you for joining us, and if you like it, please click like,